What's up, guys? Colin O'Day here, Hanson Ford, showing us how to use the jack in a Ford SUV. Let's go.
So my Ford Escape is the exact same way. It's a 2017, should be the exact same up until today's model year, which is 2024. Underneath your spare tire, you're gonna see the jack that's gonna lift up your vehicle. There's a little turn knob, a twist knob that you have to loosen. I'm gonna pop that off. This handle, this is your handle that is also your breaker bar for your lug nuts, was attached to the jack itself. Easy to pull it off. So this is what you're gonna need first. You would recommend, most people would probably recommend at least getting them loose before you lift the vehicle off the ground. So here's your breaker bar. It was folded in like this. Just one piece, a single bar. Ford Motor Company on the side will extend the handle, and then this is going to be, this should be a 3/4 inch socket right here. So
perfect.
We'll put it on here and then break it loose. You're going to break it loose, break all four. You'd probably want to go across from each other to break them loose. We have locking wheel nuts on most of our vehicles. The key to this locking wheel nut should be in your glove box unless you've already moved it. So you're going to break them loose. And then this jack stand is also really cool. So it's going to have the same 3/4 inch bolt essentially that you're going to use to raise and lower the jack. So there's a little groove right here. The frames on these, I'm going to have to lower this this jack stand. Lefty loosey. Maybe pause it.
Oh, should we pause the video, folks? One take.
Okay, go ahead.
That didn't even take us as long as we thought.
Yeah, it didn't. So the frame on these Ford SUVs is really cool, especially if you have a flat tire. I had one on my Escape 2 or 3 weeks ago. So there's a small groove on the top side of this jack. You'll be able to feel right under the vehicle over here. I don't know if you can see it. It's up underneath. I can feel the metal frame that is just a little bit smaller than this groove. So I'm just gonna raise this up so I have that in the groove. You'd probably want to just lay down. If I wasn't in my nice clothes and my J's, I would get down there and actually see it. Let's just do it.
No. Oh, wow. The commitment for this video.
So it's in the groove. You should get a little shot of that because it's really simple.
All right. Get a little camera work here, guys.
So you can see the frame. It's sitting nicely in the top of the jack. And then we are going to, I might make this a little bit smaller for now. And then I'm going to just turn it like this until it gets harder. But some of these jacks, they're so well engineered that you don't need much leverage. So I'm just going to use it like this. It's getting a little bit harder. I can extend this out. You can actually even, yeah, I might have to just do it like this. There we go.
Okay. That's how we jack it up. Perfect. That's great. That's great. Awesome. Thank you, Colin.
Of course.
Thank you very much. Now you guys know what we know. There we go.
Bubble.